Jessica is very busy doing what she likes to do, watching these stormy systems that develop and stuff.
Not always the best news you're telling people.
Right, yeah. It's more fun to watch if I know everyone's safe and warm, too. And we're going to be dealing with some power outages. Can't say that word, I guess.
We got some vocal outages.
Definitely with this storm, yeah. So just be careful out there on the roads, too. Things are going to get tricky. So let's look at our storm notes for this storm upcoming. Precip starts tomorrow afternoon. It looks like it'll start as snow, sleet, freezing rain, the kind of frozen mixed precipitation there. We'll see gusty northeasterly winds. Could gust as high as 30 to 40 miles an hour at times, so we will have very difficult travel and some power outages to deal with, I'm thinking, as we head into Tuesday night and into the day on Wednesday as well, so just be prepared for that. Temperatures today, very cold. Temperatures in the single digits and teens currently. A little bit warmer at Cherryfield, currently at 22 degrees there, but we'll see these temperatures actually gradually warm up as we go throughout the overnight hours tonight. After a very chilly start to the day, we started out at 3 degrees this morning in Bangor. 14 below was the morning's temperature in Houlton. That's without even thinking about the wind chill. So a very cold start. We've gradually warmed up today and we'll continue to warm up overnight tonight. You can see this much warmer air mass. That's what's going to move into our area as we head through the overnight hours tonight and into the day tomorrow. When that warm air moves in, plus that low pressure system bringing in that precipitation, that's what's going to cause things to change over and start to mix. So we'll start out with some snow, then we'll see some sleet and freezing rain mixing in with that, unfortunately. So it is going to make quite a mess out there on the roadways, especially tomorrow night and as we head into the day on Wednesday. Here's a storm system. You can start to see it coming together. It'll gradually lift into our area. I'm expecting the start time in the Waterville, Augusta area to be around noon, Bangor closer to 1 or 2 p.m. And then as you head farther to the north and east a little bit later, it looks like it'll continue overnight through the night on Tuesday and right into the day on Wednesday, possibly even lasting into Wednesday evening, but it does look like many of us will change over to rain, especially in coastal spots. Things will change to rain as we get into Tuesday night and into early Wednesday. So as far as tomorrow goes, though, we'll start to see this system move in again tomorrow afternoon, probably early tomorrow afternoon into the early evening is when it really starts to push into the state. We'll see snow develop in far northern portions of the state, also western portions, mountains and higher elevations will stay mainly snow for this event. Then we'll see this mixed precipitation move in and then rain lifts into the area as we head into the day on Wednesday. Again, temperatures will gradually warm up as this storm moves in too. So by the time we get into Wednesday, it looks like late morning, early afternoon, we'll start to see things really change over. Looks like some freezing rain and sleet in far northern portions of the state for Wednesday, late morning, early afternoon. Could be heavy at times. We're expecting 2 to 3 inches of moisture with this storm. So depending on how that falls, whether you're dealing with snow, freezing rain, sleet, or rain, it is going to be a lot of moisture no matter what happens. Couple issues with this storm. Number one, we're dealing with very heavy wet snow with this storm, so that alone is going to cause very tricky travel. On top of that, some of those heavy amounts of snow, we'll be dealing with some pretty thick icing, anywhere from 1/4 to 1/2 an inch of ice on top of that. And we'll be dealing with those gusty winds. So all of those things together are likely going to cause some power outages. Just be ready for those. Also very, very difficult travel. This is what I'm thinking for amounts as we head into by Wednesday afternoon, early Wednesday evening. I know this map is kind of a mess. We have a lot of things going on here. Winter storm warnings in effect for the areas shaded in pink. We still have those winter storm watches in effect for the areas in the blue. Winter weather advisories for the areas in tan. Coastal locations are seeing wind advisories. Again, gusts as high as 40 to 45 miles an hour are possible at the coast. As far as we go tonight, temperatures cool off into the teens and low 20s, mainly cloudy skies. Temperatures gradually warming up as we head into the day tomorrow. We'll see temperatures in the 30s and low 40s, increasing clouds in the afternoon and evening. And looking at the marine forecast for the day tomorrow, gale warning in effect for tomorrow afternoon and evening. Winds from the northeast 20 to 30 knots. They could gust as high as 40 knots. Those waves increasing up to 10 to 15 feet by tomorrow afternoon and evening. So pretty much a mess for tomorrow night and through the day on Wednesday. Closer you are to the coast, the better off you'll be as far as you'll see more rain there and less snow.
Stay out of the water.
The mixed stuff. Yeah, stay out of the water. 10 to 15 feet those waves. Will start to calm down on Thursday. Some rain and snow showers possible then. Sun comes back out by the end of the week.
At the end of the week.
Yeah, it looks like we'll see some
Sun will
melting.
come out Friday or Saturday.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Jess. We'll be right back.